Of a day, Totamala guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how we make Chamorro Red Rice. So let's get to it. For our saute, we will need a little bit of olive oil, small strips of hickory smoked bacon, some pork chorizo, and some chopped up red onion. Finally, we will need black pepper, garlic powder, achote, and peas. For our rice, we use Thai jasmine rice. This here has been washed and rinsed. If you're little like me, grab a step stool, turn on the hood system to the appropriate setting, and fire up your burner to medium-low. Once the pan is hot, add olive oil and give it a swirl like so. Now in with the bacon. Please bear with us, the bacon takes a few minutes to cook. Once we've added some good color to both sides, we go in with our next cast of characters. Now in with the chorizo.
Alright guys, I've sent London on a 15-minute break, so I'm taking over her duties. We are now mashing up a little bit that chorizo and making sure we get that evenly cooked. And then we're going to go right in with that chopped red onion and let those sweat a little bit. Saute that up real good. Gotta get a close-up of this one here because that saute is looking fantastic. The aroma really that fills up this kitchen is so amazing.
Our next step is to pour our rice into the insert, add 2 cups of water, our saute, black pepper, and garlic powder.
This here is the achote. There are several ways to go about this, but I'm using a sieve and a spoon there to agitate the achote seed, submerge that in water, and get as much of that red into our rice mixture. During the cooking process, you want to grab your rice paddle, well, I call it a rice paddle, a couple times to stir around the rice so all those flavors are evenly distributed.
It takes roughly 20 minutes to cook rice in a cooker with 2 minutes left. Add your defrosted peas.
We normally don't eat this by itself. We usually eat it with like a barbecue chicken and with some pinadini, which is amazing and will be just another video down the road. But this here is just the red rice alone. But that's what I would recommend this red rice with, along with a few other things. This is usually something that it can be a staple, but it also, I think even more so, would be a part of any Chamorro fiesta. So if you have your aunties, your uncles, your cousins, and everybody over, this is something that they would eat, that you would see as like a standard fiesta, part of the menu. So Chamorro Red Rice. I hope you try it at home. And there'll be a follow-up video to this at some point in the near future where we're gonna do chicken on the grill, and then we're gonna have it with some red rice. It'll be a perfect combination with some fettuccine. What? Ready, London? We got this.
Tell us in the comments who did it last. Or whoever blinked first.
All right, ready? Go.
Okay. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. See you, Matzi, and adios.